In the heart of the West, we see farms as more than just fields. They're the lifeblood of this country. But rising costs can make it harder for agricultural-focused communities to thrive. At Tri-State Generation and Transmission Association, responsibility has always been at the core of how we work, and that includes finding new ways to support our members' needs. That's why we're excited to introduce irrigation assessments as a part of our Electrify and Save program. This process takes less than a day when one of these vetted civil engineers visits your property to conduct a series of tests. The assessment focuses on the three key components of an irrigation system: the water source, the pumping plant, and the sprinkler package. They will also measure well levels, performance of the motors, pumping pressure of the pivot, the application efficiency of the orifices and nozzles, and more.
They have such a backbone of helping their neighbors and helping the cooperative members. And so everything that Tri-State has done, it's always for the member. Cost is one of the huge parts, the cost of all the materials, the cost of electricity. And so I think if they could give me an assessment that would help me become more efficient in irrigating, I just think it's going to only help us make a better crop. And all the cooperatives have the same mentality. And I think it's just to support ranchers and farmers.
Following your assessment, your personalized results will give a detailed look at the existing conditions of the pivot and include any suggested operational or equipment-specific modifications. The report also lists associated costs along with possible funding options, which may include utility rebates or grant and loan programs through the USDA that can cover at least 25% of the cost of equipment upgrades. This assessment will meet the technical reporting requirements for USDA grants and loans.
I figure that at the end of the year, I'm looking at close to $16,000 savings between 4 different pivots that I had the assessment done on.
By implementing these improvements, we hope you increase irrigation efficiency and reduce your operating and maintenance costs while conserving both energy and water.
By helping our producers make sure that they're being as efficient as they possibly can, if nothing else, even verification that what they're already doing is correct. And if we find something that could help them be more efficient, that's better even.
Our commitment goes beyond providing electricity. It's about empowering you, our members. Contact your local electric cooperative to schedule your irrigation assessment today. Together we can electrify and save.